let's go check out Cobra. As we walk through, kind of start out here with the DS Adapt drivers. Another big selling point on these is 33 unique loft and lie settings. This sleeve is insanity. But as you walk through, there's a giant screen here for you to kind of watch all their promo videos. Pretty cool. Come back here, you hit DS Adapt irons. Really nice looking set of irons here. Moving to the max. How cool is this hat? I love that hat. And you just kind of walk around. This hat I actually saw a demo day. Thought it was really awesome. So in the Cobra booth, you got this kind of accessories wall. Then you get to do something really cool. Come back here. And they're showing a video about 3D printing. And then they're 3D printing these little keychains. You can see that they're keychains over there, actually. So you can see the keychain there. But it's printing them out. Live in person. You can tell demand is a little bit more than supply. Then you can kind of see these Cobra 3D printed irons that are just insane to think about. Pretty cool stuff here. Pretty cool stuff here. So then once you get past that, it's time to keep walking the booth. We go around, we take a look at some stuff. We move over to the putters. Cobra putter lineup. Really good stuff here. Kind of goes through the entire lineup. And then the thing I talk about the most, wedges. I don't know why I seem to be obsessed with wedges on this channel, but this right here, very underrated wedge brand. Cobra makes some really good wedges. And as you continue through the booth, you come across the iron setups. King Tours, really nice irons. You come over here, you got your hybrids, your King utilities. And from there,